Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my second video. I'm gonna show you the chicken coop and where this and all the chickens right now. So let's get to it. Alright, they're all outside. Nice. So here's the house. These are spotlights. We have a side and back view. There's a heat lamp. That's where they perch, the food, and there. It's a really weird lock, so this is how you open it. Yeah, it's a really weird one. So this is I forgot the type of brand for this chicken coop, but it's really nice. It's huge. So this is the size of it. There's a dead spider on the roof right now. Also, this is a storage container I use to put all the stuff in, like the wood shavings, the food, a big bag of worms, the food feeder bucket. This is to stick any rotten food and hang it, and then they'll peck on it. These are the worms, and let's feed Tweety. Ah, there you go. We also built this chair out of cement blocks. So yeah. Okay, guys, time to go back inside. Come on, come on, come on. Not that way. Whoa, not this way. Come on. Come on. Inside, inside. There's two left. Inside, inside, inside. Come on. Come on, TNT. And that's it. Yeah. So if you're wondering, you can buy this whole chicken coop for $400 at Tractor Supply. Bye guys.